Hi everyone, in this video I will show you allow camera access on Instagram phone. So this is a very easy tutorial in case that you can see this camera option on your Instagram. So go to your settings, phone settings or Android settings, scroll down here and look for app management. Now under app management, click app list. And then here under app list, you have to locate Instagram. You can scroll down here and look for Instagram, or you can go to the search icon and then type Instagram here. So let me type Instagram and then tap this one below InShot. You can see here Instagram. What you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and look for permissions. Tap permissions right here. And then under permissions, you have to make sure that everything here is under allowed. If you can't access your camera while using your Instagram, probably that's because you click this deny or the camera option is under denied. So to allow this, you just have to click this again and then tap allow and you will see this camera feature under allow. So when you go to your Instagram and also you have to make sure that you're using the updated version. When you open here, go to your conversation or Instagram Messenger, then you will see this option right here, the camera and also other features. So just go to permission and then allow camera. Then you can use your camera on your Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.